Hey guys, Oli here from Oli's Wood Shop. So today we're going to be building a dining room table for our new house. Super excited about this one. It is like a picnic table with a bench built in. Our friend Pablo, family friend, and our welder welded together this whole frame for us. He did a really great job, did exactly what we had in mind, but better. And then Art designed it also, can't take any credit there, but it came out super, super great. As you can see, it's super sleek. He did a really great job welding it. And we have 5 supports right here that the white oak. We're gonna use white oak boards, and we're going to route the center of them and then inlay them into the support beams right here. We'll have 2 boards for the bench seat, and we'll just screw them in. And then on the white oaks, we're going to screw them in obviously from the bottom and then put some brackets in there just for extra support. And then we are going to sand them to a matte finish and use a wax, an Odie's wax. And I've actually never used their wax. I have had a bottle here and I have yet to use it. So super excited about that, to give that a shot. And then we're going to powder coat the frame white. I think a matte finish white. It's gonna look really good. So I'm super excited. Can't wait to show you guys in our house too, with all the chairs and everything, once we get those. And I can't wait to just I can't wait to see this finished, first of all. So stay tuned. Let's take you through the process. All right guys, the dining room table is complete. All I need to do is screw in all the boards. I'm not gonna screw them in yet. We're gonna screw them in down at the house because it's raining and I want to transport this to my house tonight because I'm just too eager. I wanna get it in there and just set it all up. We just got the chairs in. We got 5 chairs, so we're gonna do arms on the ends and then 3 without arms. And oh, I'm so excited. I seriously cannot wait to get it in there. So anyways, we're gonna put the boards inside of the truck and then wrap up like the frame with like a blanket or something and stick it in the bed of the truck and to transport it. But I wanna show you guys just how cool this is. I think it would even look good with another bench on the side over here, but obviously, you know, we wanted the chairs, so just a different type of look. But it looks so good. The Odie's wax is amazing. Love it, love it, love it. So easy to use. What else can I tell you about this? I just want to show you guys in the room. I want to get this thing home so I can show you guys with the chairs inside of the room because it's going to look so good. I'm so pleased with this. All right, stay tuned. Guys, the table made it home safe, and what are the chances? It didn't even end up raining on the frame, so we lucked out. We didn't have to like wipe it off and get water tracked inside. So super happy about that. What are the chances? So pleased with the outcome. Oh man, and another what are the chances? So we set up the table, and originally I wanted the 3 chairs on this side and I wanted the bench next to the windows, was because I didn't want people like scooting their chairs and then hitting the bottom part of the window. And I don't know, it made the room look smaller, and we didn't even have a rug until last night. So we set up the table and I'm like, I think it needs a rug, and I think I wanna flip it because it'll just like make it look bigger and like I don't know, just more inviting. So we did that, went to a local rug store, found this gem like so randomly, and put it in. And oh, by the way, we wanted actually a smaller rug. And so the guy's like, well, we can cut it for like $300 more. And I'm like, I don't want to pay $300 more. So, sorry, my arm's getting tired. So we put it in and it fit perfectly. It's like so perfect. It's a 10 by 8. So anyways, oh man, I am just so happy with this. I want to show you guys up close and personal of just why I'm just so pleased with this. It just came out so sleek. Just amazing. It came out so good. You guys, I finally have a place to sit. And look at how much room. We have a lot of room over here. So I have nothing to worry about. So one cool thing is, if you guys really like this table, we're gonna be selling it on olieswoodshop.com. You can check that out in the description. There will be a link there to just click on it and you can go check out the specs and the product up for sale. We are eventually going to do some variations. I think I'm gonna do one with 2 benches, so you could just buy 2 chairs or not have any chairs at all and just have like a picnic table. And we really wanted this, kind of like the inspiration behind this table was the feel of like the mid-century vibe, how you kind of want that outdoorsy inside with the skylight and all the windows and the trees. We kind of wanted that picnicky feel. And I think we really achieved it with this table. I think it just, and the rug too, just all came out better than expected. All it needs is like a little fruit bowl with maybe some limes in it. I don't know, something like that. But if you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe. I will get back to all your comments. You guys are awesome. And hey, until next time, see you later.